Hello friends, in this video let's talk about how to work with a right join in MySQL RDBMS. It is also similar to the inner join or left join which talked about in the previous videos. But what is the result set for the right join is, so when you have for example you have two tables in your example. So one is employee table, the other one is a department table like other cases. Okay, so let me quickly write down, this is employee table, this is a department table. Okay, now so what is the common data for us in the right join is, so what is the data or what is the result for right join is the common data between the two tables as well as whatever the leftover data which is between in the right table. So this is the common data, and when you say the right join, the leftover data which is available in the right table, this is a leftover data. So now let me apply some different color to that so that you'll understand better. Yeah, so this is the right outer join result set. If you see, so on the total, this is a result for the right outer join. So let me quickly write down in a theoretical manner. So result equal to common data or the data in inner join data, I mean inner join data plus the leftover data in the right side table, leftover data in the right side table. So now let me show you practically with MySQL queries. So I have created a data to accommodate the right join as well. So let me quickly check first. Select star from EMP. If you see this table, total we have. Okay, let me first use example. Okay, so now let me run this. If you see, this is the data we have. If you see, total number of records is 16 total records. So if you see, these 16 records are tied to the different departments. So 20, 10 and 30 and 70 and 80. So let me quickly write for your understanding in the this one. This employee table has 16 records. Okay, so these 16 employees are scattered across 10, 20 departments. So this is department IDs I'm talking about. This is DEPTs, department IDs. Okay, so scattered across 10, 20, 30 and 70 and 80. That's it. Okay, if you see, these are the 10, 20, 30, 70 and 80. Okay, so now, so how many are there in 10? Let me see quickly. So I have around 2 employees or 3 employees are 10. Okay, so how many are there in 20? 25, 2, 3 in here. Next 30, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this one. 70, how many? Let me see. 80, I think 1 here and 1 here. Let me see. 12 and 1 more, couple of more will be there in 10. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 in 20, actually not 3, 4. Let me see. 10, how many? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 30, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5 here, actually not 5. Yeah, it's matching right now. Total these are all 8 plus 14 plus 16. Total 16 records are matching now. So now, so let us say employee table has 16 records. These 16 records are scattered across these departments. Okay, now in the department table, let me go to quickly department table and see what are all the departments which are available in DEPT table. So just to give more clarity, I am giving you the data in a detailed manner. If you see, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. If you see, the departments is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So on the whole, if you see, I don't have these three departments, these 6 departments in department table. Okay. Okay. So now if you see on the whole, so in the employee table, I have these 5 departments. So 10 is there here. Okay. 20 is there and 30 is there. But I don't have 40, 50, 60 in these employee table. Okay. So now if you see, if you understand clearly, these 3 records, these 3 departments are exist in department table but does not exist in employee table. Okay. So now let me quickly write a query and tell you the difference here. So let me quickly write a right join query and I'll show you how to write as well. Select star from EMP right join DEPT. Okay, in this case, so when I write like this, employee table is a left table for the join, department table is a right table for the join. So the table which is before join is a left table which is after join is nothing but a right table. Okay, on emp.dept id equal to dept.dept id. Okay, so now I'm using, let's take first of all inner join. Okay, and see how many records are coming. Just inner join for time being. So how many records are coming here? 14 records are coming if you see sequentially. If you see 14 records, result equal to 14 plus the leftover records which are there in the right side tables. If I go for route join, now let me simply make it as a, see if you see in these 14 records, every column has a data value. If you see, every column has a value. Okay, here department columns has a value and employee columns also has a value. Now let me simply write down a table. Okay, right join. Now, okay, so now let me simply run this query. If I run this, if you understand clearly, so 40, 50, 60, these employees does not exist in the employee table. If you see here, so I have employees exist only these 5 departments, but 40, 50, 60 does not exist. In this case, what is the result? How will you be getting the result? Actually here is, so for all these 3 records, okay, department table has a values, but employee table is always null actually. So since I am applying a right join, so whatever the leftover records are there in the right table, it comes, but whatever the column values for the left table is null. Since you are applying a right join, so whatever all the columns which are there for the leftover records of right table will be null always. Now here 3 record values are null for every column. Okay, so till here it's inner join values, till here is inner join values, but here onwards is a right join. So total how many records? 3 records. Now let me write down 14 plus 3 equal to total 17 records. If you see the picture here, so I'm telling, so the leftover records, common records plus the leftover records, here it is 14 plus 3, total equal to 17 records. So this is how you write a right outer join, and this is how you will be seeing the result set in the route outer join. In the same way, if it is a left outer join means, so the left table will be having data and the right table columns will be null in the left outer join. So that's all about a right join in a MySQL. Not only this, if you have any questions in the RDBMS, please drop your question in the comment section. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. That's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.